Hello, welcome to another video on the GearHub YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to encrypt and password protect any file or folder in Windows. To do this, we will use a program called Encrypto. You can download it for free from its official website. Visit the website, click on the Windows download link, and install the program by following the simple setup steps. Once the installation is complete, you can open the program by searching for its name in the keys. Start menu. It has a user-friendly interface. Encrypting a file. For this demonstration, I have created a test folder and a file that I want to encrypt. To do this, 1. Open the Decrypt Encrypto. Shuttle program. 2. Drag and drop the file into the program or select it manually. 3. Enter a password and add a hint, if necessary. Click Save and choose a location to store the encrypted file. Decrypting a file. 1. Open Encrypto and double-click on the locked file. 2. Enter the password you set earlier. 3. Click Decrypto and save the restored file to your desired location. To encrypt an entire folder. 1. Drag and drop the folder into the program. 2. Set a password and encrypt it. 3. Save the new encrypted folder to a location of your choice. To decrypt the folder, simply open it in Encrypto. Enter the password and save the restored version. This program works well for small files, but can also be used for larger files. However, depending on file size, encryption and decryption times may vary. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to GearHub YouTube channel for more useful content. See you in the next video.